This simple burst taper technique can take your client's hairline from looking like that to this in a few short minutes. I won't be going too deep into my scissor work on this video, so if you'd like to know more about in-depth scissor work, you can refer to a previous video. First thing I'll be doing is debulking using a 3-guard all the way open and then all the way closed. Then what I'll be doing right after that is using 1.5 all the way open and then all the way closed right underneath that weight line that we just created with the number 3 guard. Next, I'll be balding out using my trimmers, and I'll be creating this square circle type of shape to really create an artistic look and keep the front of the lineup and the back of the lineup really sharp. Once we've completely folded everything, I'm going to open my clipper all the way up, and then I'm just going to create a new guideline a couple centimeters above the skin line that we just did. Making sure we take our time with this and really smooth everything out and don't leave any dark spots at all. Then I'll grab my 1 all the way open and just flick at that weight line as much as I possibly can. Then I'm going to close the 1 all the way, and I'm just going to go over that guideline that we just created as well. Once this is all done, the fade shall be looking quite smooth and transitions. If you see any dark spots, you want to close the clipper all the way and really just get into that using the corner of the clipper. Then I'll use my 0.5 guard all the way closed, and I'll just touch at any dark spots at all. Now that the fade's looking complete, we're just going to close our clipper all the way with no guard on at all and just really flick at that bottom line and get rid of any dark spots that we can see whatsoever. Now that everything's faded and looking nice and evenly distributed, we're going to use our trimmers and really line up the dark spots that we left when we created the fade and really enhance the fade that one step more. The final thing to do to finish the haircut is really just go over the final finishing touches, like lining everything up using enhancements and really taking that extra step to make our haircut stand out as much as possible. As you can see, one small change can completely transform the way your client's hairline looks. It's not always about taking more hair off, it's about showing where to leave the heavy weight and evenly distribute everything as much as possible. If you like this haircut tutorial, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.